Artificial intelligence isn't just evolving, it's accelerating at a speed the world has never seen before. And that speed is creating the next billion-dollar opportunity. Just a few years ago, AI evolved slowly. Today, breakthroughs happen every week, and entire industries are changing almost overnight. Whenever technology moves this fast, most people see uncertainty. But history shows that every major disruption creates an even bigger opportunity for those who adapt first. Every major technological revolution has created uncertainty, but it has also created entirely new industries, careers, and opportunities for those who embrace change. The biggest opportunity isn't AI itself. It's the millions of new careers, businesses, and services being built around it. From healthcare to finance, education to manufacturing, organizations are investing in AI faster than ever. The demand for skilled professionals is only beginning. The most valuable skill isn't knowing every AI tool. It's knowing how to think, solve problems, and use AI to create better outcomes. AI won't replace people who know how to adapt. Instead, it will amplify the capabilities of those who learn to work alongside it. The next opportunity doesn't belong to the people who wait. It belongs to those who start learning today and keep growing with technology. The future won't belong to the people who feared artificial intelligence. It will belong to those who understood it, embraced it, and learned how to use it. History rewards the people who move early. Every great technology shift has created new leaders. The AI revolution is no different. The AI revolution has already begun. The question isn't whether the future is changing, it's whether you'll be ready for it. Keep learning, keep building, and we'll see you in the next Sprint Zeal video.